Midini said this situation. Tamayu playing in front of Seko Kupama. On one castle, Latino, Aquaquarium in this situation. Because Uti and Sama Ensino Akana on that air score, no, issue about integrity. And we need Dr. Kofi Amor Ayajing. Because you want to become the GFA president. And you are owner of a club, what on player, basically to be by. This was my youth raising or Seko Kupama, there are issues of technicalities. Technicalities, and then letter head, Frank Davis a lockout. You know that you should pay 10% in the cycle. It is in the laws. And not alien to FIFA statute, not alien to Ghana Football Association, their practices. So, sa a honon koano, I idea equatia, or penny friend or Seko Kupama, any ayatama youth. So, issue about the integrity. Mijini is a way a very big case because they know per se a tool swabber. Now over GFA present. Now what on players can swabber. Player na ko jenka o si akan. Na sa 10% no what let what you tum say beba. Na be si ne emma. Now o ko fa form so person over GFA present. I mean let's do common sense analysis. It doesn't go.
Okay.
It doesn't go cry. Sa case we got the other issue no. The other issue the issue about that statement, unclassified statement of Penino make here. I'm told there was an apology. Of Penino Kopato, a apology letter, a pato about that statement he made on City FM. Categorically, specifically, that's where he made that a statement. A statement in the echo viral. After that, I had your more Osasia and the Atom Pompo by before this air writing of air letter and the apology of air Pamano and now the air Baku or the Ken Pacho Dada. It will be baby sir. So we never bonya, we never for so some now can be a sign it here and then our Pacho. These are the issues against Oseko Kupama. Now, issue about equalization. There Ket Okraku and Dreams FC Diano and also a draw. I've listened to Camp of Air Palmer. And they say Nakwa Omude Fra or Penny Fan Air Ket Okraku because they see it as Ket is their competitor. Omunina Kwako Pre Equinano. And they see the entire Ket team and fan Dreams FC. Player friend Kujo Mensa, Daniel Goza na any main name. Na Omutimi Fakoti Kwansho, SSani Dean, SSani depth of birth. Emma Nimfia na one him no, na 25 years, almost say I'm a Brantani Bena by 21 years. This case a Koyako, Court of Arbitration for Sport, and a dream says the ADA in Kuku. And from Palmer Campano, Omujidi pass, Impono say Palmer Genia. I ain't Palmer Katokwaku, I didn't see on it no, because Obonika Assembly, the backstop with the head. He was their head. The backstops with him. That is the case of the Palmer Air Campano. And President and Katokwaku, and to me pass that vetting. Na Oseko Kupama entimi impasse. But what I can say for now, they say it's very interesting. Now they find the appeal. Amo chance legal proceedings rebeko. You better ni who appeals committee so better say. And no more di international different body na better say. No more say the decision about the appeal of Oseko Kupama whether you will pass and answer on pass. But decisions too ni na ebeba it will be landmark. Se Palmer e pass here. Very very interesting. Our opinion is disqualified. Na Palmer asa fight here. Then it will be say then Palmer is a tough character. Omu disqualifying from Ghana football. Omu relegating the lower tier division or Korea Court of Arbitration for Sports Switzerland. And back qualification promotion and a samba. And they say so disqualified. No sir Korea appeal. No samba. Palmer would have a sort of reputation as being a tough litigant character. And the other side, so we in free so patron is going to be landmark because Palmer is seen as one of the favorites to win these elections. And they are in a film. 7 people, not one penny film. No, I also Kupama. So what was I going to say is that two very things there, Bebano, are very 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 interesting. Whether for or against a Palmer.
Gariba, me that's pa. I need a Gariba review, but over brain now. Fuck a crabra.
I won't do so much on Palmer.
Okay. Fine.
Come on, me did no Kenyan fan to work.
Okay.
Because first of all, no, omo basis near say nipa me no be or committee no omo bias against them.
Yeah.
And omo basis number 1. Number 2 near say omo decision no it goes against the laws of the game. Mrana e di ball ho ban free FIFA no. Nyina so ampanifo gina so be eyi ni free no goes against it. Nti omo de omo train. Omo say they were expecting the verdict around 11. And 11 o'clock. Nti yen say till this time. Nti ken omo ankasa no omo e camp. The ba one on me free basis here. The nti ama me tell omo e camp. Omo kasa na dia omo believe say any more presenting enough to convince me penifo bet now to say ombe ruling in their favor. Nti we know say obe bobo hu pi be fa omo reasons. Now say be fa die gina so na you cannot give a definite resource. Won't me ma gina ye potin say die wakin kan free palm appeal no I be dam anim yi. Ene die nti ampanifo gina so eyi ni free man no so e bi dam anim no say na say ekoye. But Ken on Saturday me can say me share preparation Saturday anopa before say me ba me wrap on my camp. And no more bobo ano de akwa to appeal no mo dia. Who say they stand a chance of winning. But Ken ni tete and ya say sasam no ekotia palma. Make me confirm mama say the next step in a cast. On am telephone bobo mo say omo de asem ba ko which and there confirmed from more prepare for cast but omo say nya dia e be drew ho. Tape na ba bonten with Dr. Kofi Amwa cast on so drew or be chere ni nyina no. We are in a political system and can be be flexing the muscles. E drew be chere ni tumi ene de obetimi na ho oden aye. Nti ni nyina ken yen fa no ntwentwen ho kakra. Na yen hwe cause from the look of things e be about tran no pakra na say na wie betena se na dia verdict na ba na yetinya hwese ni o meko but from the camp of Palma dey omo nim ni pe betena panel no so as we say omo betena panel so no nya aware of omo betena panel no so internet no see a question ba ko an ken na omo raise but first time ebe to just a vetting committee ni so be disqualify obi on be maintain obi no asama metena aka nyina na ye say si ebe disqualify obi an ye ma grounds and lead to doubt ye disqualify obi enya dia Ghana bebutu and enya dia wiase be say but ye ma grounds and lead to any form of doubt and as ensan ko stretch the whole process ye disqualify obi on grounds nipa ne ho hwia enye yie the ordinary Ghanaian or nam nchen kra obeti argument from A obeti argument from B ebetimi ahu ni say dia mpanifo anase vetting committee yayi enye so obi share kire na ochwetwetwemo amoma take that decision is very very important because if we intend to rebuild football in this country now I undergo normalization for 1 year ye free normalization numa ba issue of transparency issue of public trust a dom tidie awo mo edi tumi aso mo nsa no ese en and kini ebe hu ni nyina I start free vetting ye enti Palma the counter argument about panel na ebe tena so kini expect you say the reasons are convincing enough be mo bia de say if indeed Palma so to aso and I say in film but once again the exit of Palma kinu do be wini akonya no permutations necessary because Palma Obia now on the one followers. Now we really go deep Palma camper. They feel say one candidate see behind this. I also pull strings pay ye. Open your friend Georgia free endorsement in a band say Palma nya ken. I heard baby will be a bit easier for George Kakra. I mean to fans of George, you know, many bit match because maybe Nipa Palma be decide to be true the weight behind, you know. I like to say be a better Georgia free, you know. That is where I'm coming from. But there's another news going around. Meaning discussions no about the Kotoko coaching job, no. Yes.
Because we on the barbecue we but with some information, no, because and then a Babon say Palma decision is when ya and also went to Mama on Mumba support to Georgia free and be now can.
Yes.
Because again say Palma Kate.
No, okay. from where I'm coming from. Baby, I'm me baby, I'm free bano.
Oh no, but
Say Palmer a free one. George will benefit. Yes, and yes, sanity. Sanity different between the woman and the tea.
No,
Palmer is willing to fight.
But when to me, in case of saying funny, say Palmer Bow Moko, say Palmer Bar, no be in Sabine Palmer Kate. No, and I'll say Palmer information is Palmer be true and support George.
Eddie George.
Okay,
that is us. But Palmer is willing to fight.
Oh, and yes, sir.
And yeah, I can confidently tell you, say, no, some expected verdict around 10, 11, 12 years. But somebody, I think, said they will go to the
and you go back a cry now, and Maswa, are you ready? Maswa, what are you?
Yeah, okay.
Maswa.
Yes, sir.
Assembly TV show.
Oh, okay, we are here. Assembly in Army. Obed, what make it very brilliant submission. But what it means is that same be a new reason be a new the ball I am contested. Okay. There is no reason like a charge be a new the ball won't mean contested. It's a me understand is say ye need assembly be a ye dear no ball disqualifying it's ye dear ni you free more. Upia betia too. Sometimes before we ready to cry, the followers many other people will not. It's na can one who quite or be contested issue. And Ken, Ningina started say vetting no more coin. Now vetting Ningina and say, wow, person would a dom name who cry was say, oh father. Say would ye any one. Because a beer on the line, any part of crop is obey a criminal. It is obeying for any possibility and for the baby. Ken waiting at ye yet vetting. Any at the buy say. Emre be a echo. Papa ton player. Nemo a war ball for Nimram says a wood ton player. I was say Sikanimu 10%. To say they are tight, we have Moutia 10% my uncle pon. I was say Utia, Uchemu 100, a mutan, they say where the Utia. Say a 10 so I say Utia Mubako at the map football phone. Nano ne be called Galka, a Biako F in the eyeball. And a papane entry. Kindirikan. Do you name some railway ye pane pama? Dan will be our gun. Because level of could drew our football no winning. Inti the question a woman say, "Can dainty na wentria?" Meaning some mathemasia. Say a be a man. Obeka say be a fine, me match or maybe a me ball, me just journalist or the cry as a meme. But on no level no one a Ghana ball no dim work with them or no na. O pushy be a ye be a sunny or back out say yeah board ye say the yen as a wutia scamank or for ye baby and so nimbo no more power tournament baby. And we are more pushing the supporting a bond do nimu. Inti abdain ain't in a wentria. Se si adia wajia tum say ampa wentria ana meboa. Me pacho say meboa mon correct me. Wajia tum say ampa wentria. Inti just a charge me at the bond there and no ano. Inti Dr. Kofi Amonye boni. Omonye enye favoritism baby akon no nsa adia tum say sa kan wentria. Unless say be omo the evidence baso otua na papa de wentria. Ne emom say wo koton player na de esa wo de ma mind wentria then ye de ye wo yetumi de wutum de esa ko 40 ase ye na I say wo ye adumake na wuntua tax yetumi che wutum asa hana ye de ya agro anya hwe ne ye ko but a serious case wuntumi like wa ade ya hyede enye bia wo pa wo pe wo pe esa wo ye yetumi che wutum enti in then ye hu say wo na person obedi efe na anim no a wo ni mra waton player nya ba ko mienu miensa na e so utua ska bi na wantua no ade nti na wantua nti grounds wo ho mo dey disqualify no kin ba cho what ase now emom asembia no you be a the technicalities and nti na lawyers wo ho no enkanye sa nka lawyer eduman hia sa asembia ba yin na betuni adwen die but technicalities wo kin obetumi ate asembia wo se match wo asem nya de be ko technicalities a menwini enu nti sa obehwa Oko higher cases na ultimate the call high court. Kenza high court bubuawa 8 hour ultimate the call appeals court. And also lose ultimate call Supreme Court. Even Supreme Court ultimate call for review. And they accepted in democratic era. It is also a fighty case now. There is nothing wrong with that. I can't dispensation no. Kenza what I say. Obet me akọ fight no wan wini. Obet me so fight no wan lose. But then me a lawyer na say when get say nya lawyer pa no che ba me nya lawyer dia me kin me tin should be say enye Palmer as an individual be mom Tema Youth as an institution or very very critical and yet one Tema Youth no is it a limited liability company? The first question. And that's a sole proprietorship. Can sole proprietorship ne say nipa baako for adwuma. Nti ebia say ebia Maxwell Asian company. Me nkwa na me director me bibia. And at the limited liability company no mostly na ya a group of people. And omo register something to me one but they register it in a way say company ne enya problem ne asset or one and out me ton edidi free enye nipa na wo hekel no. And na DK money adi nyina scare kwa ne ntumi nche obi a wontumi nche no. It wona wo koye investment there so bisa say eye de hin na company ne tie. Say limited liability company dia and it's kind of went to and so I'm holding responsible. But say yeah, sole proprietorship there so I'm holding responsible. The limited liability company there yes na abeye the institution but enye or no Palmer no or dan no. It's way na some of the technicalities or court wa and that's what shi o mbedwene. Ken wo de no so to nchen a. E denti na papa ne ntua sika na no so ya another technicality. Obetumi aka say time as can buy na FA na is not in place. And we all knew say at the time FA doors no cry ye the crime zone in any atutum. But normalization for no so buy na because they are still the FA and they were running the FA. Why didn't he pay? And kid waiting na ye nyina ye betwen. Na omo akọ through the process. Say cars so the case call say you obi the case akọ cars omo the be mu so afeli. Na ye go ken ni nyina no e ma democracy ne eye de. Because now Scar says on the video ni be shaking the foundations of Ghana football na nkofo fi so ye raw but now to the foundations no e shaking boy I say earthquake na si Ghana nti obia na yenya abotre na nsem na enko but emo meme ne papa na sabi wanyi say me ba meme mafutuo kakra say enko nja e kire di kinu ni de ntia sai shi we kra ba up na identity image because Ghana they no say yes wo bo a opa mane nkokra na yen clear ni so you right o mbeji na kin obelusu identity image no it may happy so cast obetro ni support e dey amajoy and kin a very fast one no why no a fast one because obo say George na be wini nti anya hwe obenya ba bia hye sa na tie so if say curtain so e wo the chance and obetro because obenya ba bia hye it is good kin when ya obenya 0 de onya 1 na eye it can make a crime mechanic say yema processes no enye adwuma. But me feel say this issue about once or more atum say no correct it has been done no. Dia ye ko say denti na ma ne koye sa. It's yen trying for that process with court. Not technicalities then but the woman say the image ne there can identify a big time pa. Simple ye clear no. Can now oba possibly so be lusu no. E be 90%.
Okay. You be not Joyce because you report you can confirm the but no ya appeal no. On the coin. Mamina Joyce na here. So no city but so much to go na. Not more can say so much at you neko. Mamina Joyce one can ever say on a bit my boy. But okay. Andy Bray na you know ram so Tim Kotoloa. No problem. No. Because 9 years of office, 11 years of office, and
may I suggest
but the woman said, will be having a time.
If it's a team loyalty,
not next I know what
I must say,
can I have a issue now? No apple and no be issue
10 years. What should be as a cop a damn.
I don't know.
Who's heavy now?
Kawase, yeah, Kappa,
okay. A statue or NDC, a Honor say, Kaka the chassis. And a dear Drew, voice no beyond cotton. Queenie,
I want to make us a
Queenie,
yes, I want your fair.
And yet,
want to make us a
that is my own analysis of the voice.
But so far as open here on the assassin, on our pointers are betting more veteran. So, me can't now later on, my son could two go someone and may vet in my mea. Now, because be a dear why, you know, you be who dear the bayana. I don't know, they want to me. tuning in angle. Somehow influence idea. Obet maka so the case. But as some papa ne kan see entungu nko ade.
Say
political. We need to make say entungu. Say
Kilko court na when the be say two asem na gu. Normal.
Ana make say yentu asem entungu de. Ana me pese.
Me say.
When was asem me asem na tie. Na me hu ade bia e wo because.
Na ke wa hu bi o bia le de o tie tu.
Omo high prayer. Say asem bia
Ni e papa.
Ani ti na to mo tu bro.
Say bia asem me fa.
Yeah.
But what you nsem na is like who defend the F. Sad and as ade no on famra. What you say? Na what ton ade na ye pesca for F no. Nti bia nkokobon bia no the company bi din dia. So what you say?
We announcement no more. And I'm and Carbon no more Ghana for. Binim. Can Monday make our me say Pama on chiasing ma. Me fuaso on chim. So who say okay sa on chiasing ma. Because that should be the procedure. Obi o ha okay but onye nipa momon come and ntina obi ko twa board ya. Ya dey na ko 30 years no. Obi this guy na yakọ wine dan. Obi Ghana guy police for eba be twa dan ho hia na o san ate ho. Almost a ball ho ba. Ghana. Nti on chiasing. Bo pa on ko cast me fuaso. So okay, said the time you know, trim musa. Me first, but the point is that Ninko for no politics now more play no. I will fem. Until I'm cast one say, Kaka started say, a NDC for or NDC ni until no more boni buga. They may have their own source. But King, after
as I obey information about ARP.
Can news about appeal has been disqualified. But all contest from Palmer Camp, no.
But confirm say Omabaki.
Yeah, banana. Say about all the major communicators of Palmer and from more planning the next line of action.
the next line in Junction.
I'm official, you know, the yet. And it's appeal, no. There is any official confirmation.
No, they can make us say, no, so more expecting around 11, 10 years.
So, about somebody can communicate more,
Yes.
before it's an official.
TV be official in JF for no so the habit.
It can. The point is that Pama on trim on that particular subject, so all stretch assembly to court for arbitration of sports with our permit on trim. But King, Saturday, and I'm a tea supposed to be a ban in your voice a ketwa. Ye boom crop for us who are voice to young to win. Ken and send you on the ball Pama. Very nothing. Dr. Kofi Amu saw bet teaching a lesson. Oh, the young fan say, Dr. Kofi Amu crown a time Pama. And also be teaching a lesson. And Wako Fan Crawford said, I'm teaching a lesson. 2 things and no more one. Can I want to? The person some Palmer car and gun and DBT. We are not making conclusion. If we had spent $300,000 on referees and stood to be benefit of $8 million by appearing at the World Cup, I see nothing wrong with that. The Palmer Cocan was City FM United said, say 18 billion. And the Kutuyama referees, you play as no much Ghana for any Abasati and Tiomu winning bonus $10,000 a match, 10 minutes for 1 hour or more. Obiantin here, as a modern Munabi one team, or Mutimit 1 year, no about 3 matches. No, the blaster per team. Near sent you $10,000 at the amount, 600 million for 90 minutes, for 1 hour or more. Now, Penia or GFA president to say, you could your 18 billion. And Franco 480 billion as I the backroom. Young Fan ya pray, ya co work up in you. Work up player called 2006, 2010, 2014. Work up player called by Diana Yayokruma. You just says it away. And from a referee for Nyanko says it canembra. Near place near we are such ya 600 million. Sikadata and Sadia my place and say, your chest come a referees. Yan San first cannon take your blaster place for bonus. Okay, winning some more the ball penny. Oko can't say one canna. One casa. Or so a patch out. Can you part of bet yase? You would your betting ben your part was
It
it.
depends.
Yeah, I could be down. Can never near depends at yeah, okay, with the mommy. Different types of betting.
Because of that, now coming in better.
What do you like? What? Can you remember betting ground coin? Okay. The moment I become betting, yes, you'll be a free move. And I give you. It's the issue borders on integrity. It would have 5%, 10%, and 20. We are talking of integrity. Me person make a voice na something I make as a king. Say voice no the emphasis that I could feel more time. Wako fan crop for say omo metwe palm. Resus are omo the ball no what a yina se no odi tum and our anyan. He rendered an unqualified apology. The moment I render an unqualified apology, it is an admission of guilt. What dear to Mr. Wyan Fonso? The Ghana ni bian person better. And now when some see a ball in a issue of integrity. A so key, a very key. And I want to tell you so none of words to a sika to a blast out of Ghana. And until a blast out for baller. Most of Ghanaians said I be on Mumlant Mekan who got on Nadia. Most of Ghanaians air cassette, your blast and the amount of money that we pump into the blast house and the doors of the door. In Tiente, so near place, nuclear and every morning. These are the issues that were raised at the vetting. And Palmer, dear to me, say, Sansem or Kaya, what bunko to get at the crack about the power hotel. These are the issues that should be addressed. And your pettiness. And no, I'm result to voices are winning. Ni pana amoto mo de boys ya bato so be teaching lesson o call betting as me busa an kosem ankasa nka evidence bi ani ho enka wan ko pacho any ba ko pacho mo so ya amoto mo say o so be teaching lesson wo teach ken was he forced to apologize no o person o ye pani a no wa hwe wonsem kam yie nti nsem kan ye no pa ma ehunu na asem kan ke ye oni pa bebebe ho a o mo ko betting ye nim se ye be je o mo kan o betting na se but ye won se bi wa ken yetimi de toso ekoya befa so wa kire mu no amo to wanu ka na obia boto but we the opani ko ya na o tena kire kata de ba se wo pachew so ko kan sa asem na yenkotua 18 billion fama ye blaster place akasa Ghana from Buffett John Boy ye ball cap of nation we wan in team club we mu yenkotua black bonds and $10,000 mo esu a ye suwa from 2014 enu tina Ghana ni bia ka se continental chegu ye ball no onko o pa ma won to say ba beto aso atima ba be kan say yen go to abroad man refis fitire ball ya ko 37 years cap ko ntimi ni bi tika be na muntua mo tua ya ko work up ba team say wo Ghana ha bubruja ye ni kapre team si park ko atimi SSC ya eduru hamatan na park nyina eye and you still want us to go and pump that money into the blasters into penny sem no ko kan ye no and now we are penny na ho na that bi wo ni so di hunu so obeye wo pese onya position bi a no atwa okasem ni nesa akoka ye ne social media obeko Facebook na o picture da soro kama na o boy ti de dase na o bie ehwe bi enti pa ma kwa akodi atuma omunya gen boys no again and again and again me so omu bu nkrofo ato winim
Gracias, Ferencio. Na yentoso ene komo kakrabata. Maso, no worry you know.
Yeah, maybe.
Because you're about RFO. You know komo kakra because Edison wa yanene komo wa komo na yenke. And you think Kotolo. Edison the microphone there because your questions will be running name about community.
My winning man for winter before Edison let us. Say we are calling for change. And change and I see a head to hold you. I really appreciate the presence of my good friend Edison. But the opinion friend Kotoro is see it me can't say Mitchell.
About it.
Ken, when you say now, no, because a greater Accra, more for elections, they are organizing a debate right now.
How much debate?
Yes.
Our cry. Debate.
Yes, for the candidates. The media have been invited. Superb. They be any about question and about football development. But I know you're sure. Then it's TSACA, you bet me a car if I have been to Central region. They are Asante region, Rebecca. So if a station, a sports station like Silver FM, for over weeks, a dedicated to Asante regional football, specifically RFA Kunyano. No Penny FM Kotoro to Kumasi hey. No Suma man for Baha. no disrespect to Edison here, but the point is enya sanka George free mo keto krekumu no commercial omo dem no matro tron se mato abonten but rather omo nim say delegate on beto aba no omo ntimi ko obi aso one by one intino they will do a media something like a meeting be then what they intend to say show obia document or diaba from Ket to Palmer to even Amanda mo mini interview. They will talk about the past, the HM. Then they will talk about the Omodeba. No more sell your ideas to Ghanaians. Because I'm going to say, any Pakubi never to about name Ghana for no about so they have a part to play in the development of football. What you Kumasi here, Santi Rigi here? No, Osuma. Debia Osuma. And I could never papa. If you cannot be bold enough to come on air and explain issues, because football, the home coach football, no, you bear 69 delegates. Our mum never to abandon there. But Ukraine say a cut across affected different lives are outside when you talk about football development. It's a kotoro to come here. No one to remember her, and yes, will be out to prunum. And yes, you make an attempt, say and fair opinion is umbra. There's been several calls to the quarters of opinion from Kotoro. Even offer phone cry just on phone in Pono. Adamia Chopper. Edison can explain issues. I know Samuel Tuba was explaining issues. But in a form of respect. Or the fire Tiakraton chain. Not sure more over best woman. Why are you in the right shape to say, obet me explain issues are 9 years a term. And also obet me explain your administration's need. Any deal with the auto paper so over there. Why you let me explain it? Even a mom pay GFR, Konyampo are hoping from information centers to radio stations, interviews. Even a mom pay GFR, Konya. But yes, a cat to call radio station, watching out to them, watching about to Sonamo, or Kosunya, or baby kiss was at least bad 3 stations double call. And some were inviting me, dear Minina, no, I sounded as much to him. You see the same thing from George, you see the same thing from Palmer, you see the same thing from Fred Papu. Even there, I get to Kreku Lanche, the manifesto. That night, I came to Becca's and co-organize events to Abe, or 2 radio stations in Accra. I know me a numerous program, didn't ya? All because I won't say our delegates about to about here, but you have to build a relationship with the public and to what something really hake. And I did Osuma.
But that's your friend so. And you sell but a champa message. And or the amane a yoko tolo no be obi an so wuti. Or your boss. Great. Okay. And some call here.
Nyamnya don boss.
Ma say your senior wa.
Aye, some yellow too.
So I say some more to answer you can't say me so yeah. Because you did giant. That's why no.
Aye.
Let me can over. You will give him the platform. If it's the whole day, he can explain.
What can be made?
Because even on the day, I can answer more. Your friend, or since your friend, on that day, or can say, ultimate casa. And you bring no castle station. What's the point? And you bring no castle. The point here is that more a obed any station here stands on. Okay. Uchikuma. What has to close to 11 years? Oh, your campaign at least. So, Oko station for crown or castle will be able to map a voices in the behind. Mona more year, Juman, winning the way into my name already. Mobile radio, so more Casama. No one said, oh, one who saw such a be idea. And yeah, I had also Jovia. Because we'll be a Juma. Yeah, DNA, also the DNA. On their several bob in yeah, the platform. No Rebecca Sachin and Crowford. It is an obed they come about Papa decision, say, or not to one all smart. Others have been over the a decision. Bemomudia, Mojuma Mobile, and said, the Juma dear Weddy, and in the name of Papa Wino. And I'm going to come once. The Academy.
Mirase. Now, the Dinka, no, say administratively, no. And Kawidi and Kame, Mr. Minian say, time lay Yanson, you know, where the aye premature kakra. I'm sure, say, Minian meeting the casa Nimunin. Or say, Palmer ye ne manifesto wie ye no ko radio so but before be ne manifesto no na wan ne kasa ma Palmer na team Palmer na kasa Mr. George Free before wa obey ne manifesto a obey kasa ma radio for at no na wan ne kasa ma no
well
what can was na ka better Kotoro was on KSBN FM last week I'm sorry so what the address issues out the back exactly so you let me land before you,
the issue
jump
about
in the gun.
not coming to the studio the me person can as
that's and until I messed up because now my brother, we are not fighting. We are not fighting. Exactly. So that is why you let me talk before you jump in.
The reason I'm buying
it at the right time, your strategy, you follow your plan, and at the right time, no, Kuturu Nankasa, Ebebabe Kasa, your plan, and Nimuda, you will pull at the radio stations. You will bore Edema listeners, you will bore Edema delegates, you will bore every single person who follow football. It's me and Kobada say, you be elections at chairman and Kasa will radio, so never. But we have our plan, and we are following it. And yes, because I'm Sinti at the right time, Chairman Babe Kasa. Me assure say neither be. We are 9 days left. Inti, and yes, Chairman in Bekasa Badaroma or Babe Kasa. Na ye Nyama Bikakra. Ye building ye maybe into Nyabotre penny or Babe Casa.
No,
I your Babe Church.
But before I say no, some other to the gospel. Mobile Mamma, quick interview because my congress is here. Many drives and then come on, Miss Anna because you're young in chair, oh, Krumas, Mr. Palmer, yeah, two, no, Yinti, Vivica Creo, Vanity number. Joyce, another call yet. Radia Jumna, Ediana, of course, a very trainer in Chesaba.
I can answer about it and tell the answer. Bear 30 minutes in that, yes, I didn't number. That now we will campaign manager, they were a DF now. It's me, we'll be sending my number. We are 2 lawyers, you know, and Panomotaka. And Miss Stacy, I make a 1 hour time. If I didn't do cat, Mama had a airport car. But the can before so opposition, DF, no opposition for that. So now, no, Mama airport car for a fee before, especially that boy there, exactly. Mama, the MDR or fight for that. It was a justice in the age, man. I don't think Ghana Football Association election with me.
Oh, okay, just say, or caucus.
Caucus.
Okay, Silver Spice, you better want to pay. I know about Joyce and I know everyone crying. My men found to just appeals committee, you know, almost so up to Aya Palmer and Sendaku, appeal no, you know, or more at according to Aya Palmer company, almost more court of arbitration for sports. Oh, and no more. It is the case, no, almost if you Kruma. Kruma, you know, Malusu, ain't he, no more caucus. Your friend, sure. Edison, Brian, now you're trusting from you.
Is you with ya? And there's some baby. Yeah, there are some bones there.
On the day tonight, you ever trouble to do.
And see, come here, yeah, that's it for the platform. What the am I now? Say, and you be church and some will be sending a month for out to 2 and same bread, ya trouble. See, be bring now and you know, correct. Until now, I was say a banny be church room at the Magana for because, yeah. The administration, you know, say delegates network, but no mom delegates no, and you know, you could bobo and you know, Bejina Park no so a park no so any effect, a nipa and you know, me juma. Internet say Babon, saying a church in some way the Magana for. Sending a bay a month for better senior RFC defer Sidio Mujuma because say, Nyama Bebrewa Bontia, a month for shedding nim senior RFC no, a fast Sidio Mujuma, and to say, Obi Beka Sembianoa. Ye fanasa
and never been a match to our bontia monis say woman for
him say and right Bobby Bree so yatiti bebre yes coast football a good yatse division 3 a good ye mo meanwhile division 3 for instance and now Mr. Otu HH chairman or per se obey RFA president ni team about division 3 and qualify the board division 2 into same po
middle league
ebebo middle league qualify the board division 2 into same po sabontin so mo nam say division 3 ebu a obi say ho say anya ni division 3 team na eye den no be board division 2
ebi obeto so lot
nti na che say eno so nya na kore course like for instance esi egu eno I the fixtures ebeto to abontin esan so e de kire mo nti enne ye pese ye de vision ene a mission ene niema ye de atoto na kwemu a ye pese ye de Ghana for che se ne ye be ya for to my ye next 4 years na niema ye be ye no ene ye de betu dwa e de mamu afa bio niema no so a de da bontin a enye ne yie no ne asan so a chechire mu e de ama amanfo nti me senior man Mr.
Okay,
Chechire
Sabaloju. Bada braka kra ma wo so kura documents bi ne ma ba ko bi.
Obed na pesa mi mano ni bebi no o ye ho adwuma na fe
Ade ma no ye ho adwuma.
Onse no me de fixtures be kire ana o kan se fixtures na me de be kire the results ni ho
What the results na ba?
results in there bi me de me regional vice chairman.
Okay.
Into district no e ka se ko prepare program fabre mi hwehwem na se edale ko mu a na ma end also ama no aye den okobo.
Okay.
Enti me uwia na ma je league table because ye promote and ye relegate enti e demu sa.
Okay.
Say ka ye bo to keep the teams in good shape. So say to buy no what me ya ma pepe so ya ba bedu now now be that a charge pa ba no kure wo mi say I think say aha in the house will be free edisi now surprisingly we were asked to submit results and then log for 2018 league na ya mo win. The FA is demanding for it. No more checking say the league is na eba no, ni clubs na eba no, whether the clubs are functioning. Nti no say na adwuma esen ka me yen but because of emra bosha e share ye hunti ese mi jai na me ba na me attend to nti my bibia on paper.
They say nyama be na mo de go akwan mo say ebe ma jale sa to aba na mama.
Well, make me say 69 delegates na eba no. There on 29 see RF order. And e bia na dream be no. Ntata se bia why na me tuma na why na me tuma but
Njo menye 69 na.
69 no. Excuse me, 69 no there. Because e betimi nya 69 ni na me boa.
To betimi nya be say.
Oh, at least 55.
Hey.
Yes.
69 mon kombe for 55.
Yes.
Hey sir.
Na kwase ne.
Mami so.
Bro.
Yes.
Asem na waka wa no.
Ha.
Enche na bo.
I'm not observe me. I'm not kuta fact.
in say election wo strategies na bia wo targets for no one no mudi nkomo ne ye omo a e bia odi masom fo ni bi odi club nechi but say club owner na muji tum say direction na ye koni ye person ni papa odi ye koni a I think say a CP say ye ka say ye projections ne de yentimi conclude of course a human institution
na ye wadi 10 years work
Upie ya abo hu secretary ansa na wako chairman.
say mo de na ma chiche
No, me buy say me catch your chairman kwa won office.
so office
Me wo me office.
I was secretary ta won no mo de ache
Office. Officer National Sports Authority ayusu.
okay
Ansana ye move to the new building, new stadium you know. Because you say in your office. Ye say ta wo ne de achiche mu a compared to other regions. Okokwa documentation kwa ho odin. Ebinum document egu. E first say fertilizer bottom ne gu ni achichire ne bo eju. Bro afo si boy of asi onum secretariat. Any person no enye secretary ni chairman kwa office no. Ba yen say be say bibia ko kan ti. And then say PC secretariat a ebenya 7 offices.
yes our office we Ghana na mo na mo yade
Of course.
administration organization masa enye se me dwa manumo ubetinya from achi na wo re ko efe secretary senior wo ubetinya friend Alex Asante he will confirm to you ubetinya friend Makado obe confirm obe friend Yima da sobre obe confirm obe friend hwan sena ana hwan bibia ye bibia
da o mo nam fofo na
dabi eye jumentira eye masa eye jumentira Division 1 League Board. I mean for Division 1 League Board. Ni enem nipa ba kwa 7. Far Rangers case by. Obi ada including my chairman. But me dey bia FA ni jam konso. Because you call a system no FA system results yenya. But I have it.
Okay.
Under my sleeves. No law. The see enyan ka ho no, edu na afi ye. Actually, who send baba? Because
I know this Sunday I ba say. Na samolo to kura ne aye kotolo nka. Eye den ese we ni kotolo aye wan.
Obi say me na me ni
kotolo nka.
When was that?
Enra messages na ba ye bi.
When was that?
And so immediately me nim ye na koso.
Eh, me show. Me from Mr. TK Eboa.
Silver Sports.
And I started joining RFE. Edu baby now was the spokesperson for the RFE.
Okay.
And sana nya team State and Boys edidi mu an e se du ba bi no na ahodi ni players as team di on league ni e bobo match a the players nya graduates edu time e bobo match kwa e team nya 5 kra and dressing bobo match so it reach a point e say ye dey e jemu na e ma team no ko na say team ni be ko sa no ene e ko ye di ko ma Jinak Jinak mi ankasa third division club mi ankasa na me bibia na me Jinak ba se Jinak ejian na so ye papa meaning Kotoro enham da meaning ni problem
okay
from State and Boys and say from Jinak is never true the mimi obia because of administrative
obi or perception about Kotoro
baby jet tournament Oba organized wa Ashanti Region. I was the general coordinator for the tournament. In your course class more than 40 our marriage decide. Omko Accra, ye di Togo 4x, ye di Nigeria 4x, ye di Cote d'Ivoire 4x, ye di Benin 4x. A team from Ashanti Region coach team and assist team energy.
Coach ya yesi egu.
A coach yesi egu. You first major Ofori Academy. Ofori Academy ko Mamponting area ho tournament no you ball league no buy normalization case no buy omuguso omu tournament no mo just to keep the players movement and column say vacation be Lombard be abape na omu dia shame and me know ka say Konongo they are still playing Obuasi recently omu bo wi na nsia but the mimi hu ni say coast league na ka say be bo coast league na ebinum person mo chese omo ye superior in the coast Kumasi Metro
no wane da man
Kumasi Metro the vice then vice chairman Malamisa Masaudu Ebony and then Musa omo ne da no omo na ye di Kumasi Metro no dia ma omo bisa hu se obi be ka se Kumasi Metro omo do so nti but other districts no the way omu yi omu nyama the way omu bo omu organize omu bo omu league ni tournament no efe kwa ba be du Kumasi a ye wo champion ta wo the far left omu be ka nyan se ji se wo the far right
ene ya malam na hwan
da bi min ka se malam no me pass say clubs ni bi wo on person cho say dey say ko wo see ye for this direction omu be ka nyan se ji se
fa I don't the day your owners na some like
so and enu na atwitwi ani na enti ehu Kumasi other districts no mo bo omo ya bo mo
be so ba ka Cameroon so organize
rebuilding. That's the rebuilding. So of your rebuilding there were 126 affiliated clubs, juvenile clubs. Rebuilding no say ebi enko ye ne be say ye ni but how many teams? It was 30
or the 30
na fine enough. Onwa from onwa perspective officer sa 30 no ebetimi aboa the project fine am nso na mi hu se anka 9 districts na ze nipa ba ko pese course nka aboa ka district bia to mo no mu ya so organize no mo
Boss, just to chip in something small. On the coast, it was more than 30 because now we're in all the games, mostly, and I was there in the finals. Team year 96. What I have, you were 96. Yes.
And you're 30.
Daddy.
Okay, I think the next is
That's only about 120.
Exactly. But we are come to a conclusion. Say, course no, a course but emum. They did not encan attention na encan na course no. Say and from.
Okay.
And there's a man.
And now so best I give out
figures. Me figures.
Of course. Yo. Whatever me land they were. You course class in Boha. Ubeti di nu abontin di kekese pa, but in reality they are zero. Yes.
Exactly.
Me tuya bobi Kanu Stars. Kanu Stars do baby no mo cars o mo di running club no kra no na akodi obi nsem. They can locate him. I saw be report wo RFA. Says obi a obi use Kanu Stars card bia no. That person ye me che no.
RFA one. There is this a year but say I don't know teams are more qualified. So more sada wo teams.
Masa. Ebe mi mo anu si. Me regional vice chairman. Na me ani kisi abo anka state and boys anko on be oba qualify.
Okay.
Anka state and boys for be general park so under 13 for oba so asen obia and 50 oba so asen obia and 70 oba so but you pass through the mill. But pass through the process.
Qualify.
You didn't qualify. It will be do why a league baby can now say 10 class never at the 9th. And your money more.
Okay.
And your money more. Me know can say teams in the they say a cast of players crowd. But let me I can't say there's a club 1 or 2 or 3. I'll say you can say coach your coach system more than 200 players.
Coach team back coach.
Yes. Let me
I'm total Sancho region coach no dear. SST a year to Mrs.
Yeah, you know, no, Mungo, Boko TSM, no, no, me 126.
Only 126. Before Cotolo Baron, you say.
Before Cotolo Bebano. Before Cotolo Beban, no dosu, Debris. Then one of me mount disadvantage of that.
Because about to.
Because no, sad TSM na ye come no. A hand you may be. Say, me catch was even a do baby. The edu baby kwana na team kotoko registration na yasem somebody have to come in and help. Third division edu baby omo wo outskirts edu baby no we have to go in and help.
Okay.
Inti sati yesem na aba no obi ka say one way disadvantage. I make it point blank. It is
only say yes at TMS na ana ye mo bia ye course ni bia nka by now nka neme koyi.
The be yes obia course no because you put two things into first in a professional way no and then say they started TMS no a bedroom le because so we need park now need secretariat and so need office papa bia kra wa we want to organize course
so and then nyina mu yenkyere mu na amanfo ntia say TMS no enye kotoro ne de bae FIFA and the ama associations ne say SSA ansana obeye premiership club no e wo se wo pitch say e wo se wo say division 1 ansana e beji wo atum na se wo ye say na with division 2 and course no TMS no de dru ye so no say SSA wo register wo pass through the TMS inti se ekoba se registration no sa so be say ntinya register the club through the TMS enya kotoro
mama me say Samolo too because Samolo to be to me about on na ye adwuma no watching from Mr. CK about recommend Kotolo after for instance Samolo to after 10 years Kotolo administration no over 100 over man say
man 90%
90 over 100
yes 10 na aka no juvenile and the normalization for me catch on point blank.
Okay.
Say on be say football here we have to start from where you started. Start me research some circle for so where you started. Yeah. And things must be done properly. Nyama na say di bibia to akwam ne ye wo. Si anya ne ye wo ho a. King yebe nkobesie yebe kwasa besie chi.
Okay.
In my administration me ka do course ni bi o temi bia no obetimi afre
because yade ba ko di enya pa no registration say ka say 3 months duration I di be registration no obi betumi atwen a day 3 months ni be so no sa da no obeba abeka cho say afi no wenye obi o ye ni nkratasem obi o kwa ni email crowd be peti
sa wa duma na wo ye no e fa na media platform be so na de fa e de catch sa teams no because we be am oye we na free we na we catch we na we catch
for registration
for registration
registration dey be ya as in we start registration be 3 months no ye shia ye meeting ye meeting
okay
bibia mini first district coordinators no the creative platform ye din komo bibia ye din komo bibia ye din
Kotolo
Can I musa one question?
And Edison. But I think Kotolo one member so. Yasmi. Bokodia.
Okay, one question. It's our fault.
And a question.
Only you the
don't say that. Don't say that.
Kotolo ntimawa.
You buy the car house, but we buy them. Send me, I wouldn't send me something in pure house.
It is all and name.
Oh, and I said, I'm can you know my Canadian auntie? And say, me support them behind, but we the Macahas. Oh, support them with the Biaman in the Casa. Never possibly as we and Unquire for so you are quite young at 10 years. Okay, and you know me in there, but the Macan or Macanian auntie. Yeah,
do we think Kotolo?
Oh, you say, and send you a heart, and you need about one thing. And discussing what discussing, it will do come up as some course into a sin, more church room. Mr. Course, my dear check that I do. I feel young for maybe some of us cast a mad dog crowd course. Then we started the course at it. From any Nabu Macross, and Papa Munina, George Random Bobo has to go to Gold Vismo, and I think Kojo Pokmal and check some Munina Bocos in Anna with the course at it. Can you start some large former Nitimi no tasa na kalum sa gira mo na so pa ahia bu ya uzo tasa no na hwe omutu no mutu ko regional musa santrogen ya bo adar na do mbote mu so na do bo coast bu akra so mo asantrogen na je so inti group bi na se kofoma se no mo se ka tia me seniti na se wuntu register wona wuntu register mo coast agu a no na kotoro so inti ni ya si ya fa ya se ya tinye direction ya konse usi wuntu nkwa usi anu se se ma ja football because kotoro na mama ntuma ma ja football wa ga ya tena ba bia because ya de mra fofra na ba nti course ni dia ya de chat nti kotoro no aduba bi so na bibi kwa ntuka se ni enye se bia bonti asem boti asem pa ye kra ye nkwala no kra no aduba bia ye ka se ni ya no afa so ye bibia organization bi ye bibia fra na baba ye boy zongo ba che fra na baba wu ye bibi no otu sa fra na won kwa baba so nti no ye se e bia
me that's ye fancy o
ma no ka we oh dabi se and na ohunta na house for no be ba
se be come town no kra anya
me say and na house board meeting na assembly o person me come
that's all the couple yes
oh so go sam na me check I go sam na me check because
me town na so
and na ye board meeting send me one say ye ma support
that's all chama me why
you say no ma ba na say no obi fra me say I didn't tell my ba mo ama no
na ye ma kwan
I say
ana na one car
so go sam and na go sam ko to say and me say as for no e ye one while kwana ya won so mutie so because ye esco member Fred Moore anhwa esem do ba me ko anhwa na has mpanyfo no aka say man nko nti na wo hwa election yan nkodi obi atimo
nti mo ba ma wan na be ko
sisi a yibetuma ye mo bi anko se nye force se chenchena wotim nipa ho
they ask mo bi anko
hwa ye mo bi anko anu su sa antro bi si antumi mbetoye se chenchena wotima because ya man nipa anko a wontim beda ada se nti mo ntuma na nipa na mo ya
fa mo talk ye ni ba bi mo talk
munim
no kra
munim kra ye ni ba obi ani
nipa de bi akọ
mbako ho but say no about meeting ye ya sumi na ho
enye waso ya nipa na kọ yen kese ho yen kese ka tese me ntimi ntoma because of reasons we anyway e bi opanyin we ya makora enti ono na me pesa me de ma no na odo yen kese ase te ko ba se bi asa nipa ni ho a ene bi osan ko bi ma o yen kese bi ti na consider enti ye ndele we supporters asem na America no menim baby America yede
akodu
enti menim baby house for according to him kese na no num
meso
minim
pa according to
we no efi akambe
minim enfra
na
akambe
emfi mo
minim
na emfi what just
en kesa so woni nsa ono so won pa ono so yes
ana make say aye decision so hana me de ko nti koto aba no ko nti so to aba on de so me nyama to aba
ono aba kan straight but
this so yen kese so ka to so koto aba ko na wodu nyansem akoto fa ba foforo dia
untimi yasa
no so be say and e wa ase
ba opon nyina hen kase so still was at yam kofo se hwa ne to ma ahon se waka nipa no enti yen so yen nimba bi a to ba e ba bi
ala me da say tim koto we be no mas
yes the mas pa
no and omo dia ba nti ya class no ma ko 69 omo ne mo omo ye any perception na e wa abonten say papa no ne modemo or eni so e wo form say ni na no omo be cheche ne ma bibre mu eti me say teams and clubs ni na dodo ni na no mo aye somolotu and Gaspar and Edison ni nuanu ni na no and some na e koso abonten ni so ma be cleanse ni bibre and yebenya mo cha yebenya days ni bibre wo ma other party no so e ba mo kwan no also the omo no also the aba na Asante region football ni na no the omo play ni na ye ball ni be yi
yes
no mo mu yere fu ni honi ya
se ball ni be yi nti boko dia
ken
na eko
ken o mampani wo krom ha
hey
pepe say ya
Saint John wants is here
as ya or Christian service
I'm not about bantama
wa betwem
twam
sisi ya
o baba bantama no twam
na o fa bonten so abeti
o je fans kakra
na o mampani wi ye sabe ya no da ma ya kase no one aban krat form hwe mansi ni mantam so Ghana ha nyina hiem a o mo ye nwimine hu bi o mo hwe kase o da bi o mo hwe ko betima fa so ade a on say aban ya hye se nyame ya by the year 2020 ye better referendum
ada na aban bi year 2020 but them bisa mama your politics
ken
when aban bi
when
ya center 2016 2020 2024 2028 2030
ken when the 2024 come sir aban sha yen sir about 20 about when the ken when you or see o pesa by the year 2021 Kumasi million ne media minister ye beto no so aba
ana for na beto
Ghana fo nyina na beto obi abeto na do city de
into mayor no pa na mo nyama koto
no makogina na why prokom wo for pel no
so mo mu hande pa MPC gidi ko is akwes so obi okowe no winning the seat of their party A automatically it just occupy
the sanity
mentia some na say and maybe you talk about what omo de omo so de na ba opanyi no kra me de koso me nim no but there is a what
because e ha na wo
enti e de ntima aba say no otoko ha de so otoko oto say o de amane de a fama na kra na nya kra yesu onu nti
aba wo hye dwumadie bia se so wo kom na hye bedwum na also onye ni parado o betima dia tumi eno nti na mo kan sa no
majority ken ababi ana na one day mo me
yes for agreement
panyin no ko na ye de ayi
ya man minority kaka
na ya nhwe no dem so adusu bi we
e ka bagwa
because say akwa say o man panyin na wo pese o to abana ma no ni po pese o be o man panyin ne hu do nti aga kwa say o dem ma and because baby to mo that reason so
oh yes
because of say o wo hanti enton kwa
sanity san ye to
enti Ghanaian judge amam painful
that's right
and the Ghanaians Ghana need to take a decision say the person will be on
sanity
but you do a hona and peace in it almost say be so man pain no nipa na o person be di o man pain no or the MP na shawama
sa no mind na ke yesa na beboa ke number 2 nipa no bo yesa komkotu abangu no and then penny for the charge abom say treason ye do mu ko dia court no say treason so de ebubo wa kumfo no se ebuo wo nti ko do mu dia bo no
na nkomo kotu man pain
ku no dia na nansan beto odwa
no no mo nyama na ye nyama be because they na me go social media ne dia
and ma de ku de
say kind ananya e dia mo ma me hu say de na e wo social media na nya no a omo ne ma fofo but ne ma bi na na ekugu ananya no
kompa ye de we nam nyina
me ba so bi person ye ku no nya tu ba papa ko betima ye ku
Dabi, yo se we are here no better na be true ba.
Ken make sure. The here na so betima target Amori. Ah you man dey asafo na hweso. So okone ni pet otimi konka omu no budan na ni wi a. Etu ni nya be di nsi.
So need support from
Ken,
the baby.
on support. On say
cool no sense no ko wi eche no even so je ni ba ko ko ju ya o second ho
no oda so ye adwuma
oda so ye adwuma wo o ye adwuma wo sisi a ya te no e bi wo mu asafo no bi so obema campa wo1 oba ono so ka ho bi enti no na nya ba
to for treason
na last one be bo wan san was say so kwa to e mantemu a emema ne mema da wo ho no o mu do 2000
Hey.
takrade ne ne
gay sem no I do say nipa saying
2000
pinni omo ya wo ho na na asa brofo bi ba ho ne be ya na asa
can also because of oil nti no abrofo wo ho awo oni no Nigeria fo no so obegu anya de ketwa nti no aye from na em won wa
ka Ghana fo no na ye say adwuma na na say
obi a be
abrofo ne be ya na say country fo nkrofo ne be
we dey o funtum fry obi a wo off or down baby a de ka ho nti case ya hwane ansia no kwan a enema be ha enema be ha papa
2000
e 200 gram for 2000
so musi ni penya is 110 nti e bogum
omo ma yele
enya ace out of that 110
ana mo fa ka ho
for saade na omo yero mo nya ace
ken
ace
na what dey ban tempa
o ye no a
ken na ban tempa so mo odada
mo mu tu kwa ma
nti na nyewura mu ana ne okrofe